Well, howdy everybody. Happy Friday to you. I'm standing here on the northern end of Iron Mountain, Michigan. My wife just sent me a message and said a train came by, and I jumped in my car and headed this way. 402 and 502 coming back north. Right close to that building. Now, I'm not surprised to see center beams. Looks like they did grab altered metal too. And more boxcars. I think we will head north a little bit and follow this train a little bit. It's not a long one, it's not a big one, but it's a train on a Friday. We're gonna go for a green Fred because that's just what it's been lately. Nope, wrong. Man, the trees are really starting to look nice. I'm just panning out to see if this is gonna be a good shot or what, because the sun, well, you can see what the sun's doing to my shot. So I think I'm going to the other side. I'm going to leave my car on this side. We'll come down over here and maybe the glare won't be as bad. Train is coming. Yeah, short train, but at least it's a train. Yeah, I like to give you guys at least a video every day if I can. Even if they're short, sometimes they're sweet. Anyway, man, there's been a lot of comments on that video where I was asked to leave the accident scene. I'm not going to sue. That's just out of the question. I did just file a FOIA, Freedom of Information Act, requesting vest camera. The officer, the deputy, was wearing a vest camera, a personal body camera, and I'm hoping it was turned on when that person in the fire uniform pointed me out. I just want to hear what was said, who that person was, and the reasoning, the real reasoning why I was asked to leave. That's my thought. What's yours? Anyway, I can hear it coming. The bells should start any minute now, right? I'm joking. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I want to see the video of his body camera if it was activated, and then we'll go from there. I don't think I might actually need to even file a complaint, because if he has body camera footage, I can already tell you who's going to be watching it. Nice and slow. No need to go fast, right? Besides, they gotta trim the weeds. I'm not going to go all gung-ho and, oh, I'm going to file a lawsuit and I'm going to get a lawyer. And I mean, I understand the people that do, and I understand the reasonings they do it, but in my case, I live here. I don't want to create that much heat every time I show up with a video camera. I do believe there are improvements, I'll just say, that can be made in the future, or different ways to do things. Definitely a learning experience for everybody. Anywho, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me rant a little bit. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, make a comment below. Hey, puppy dog. Alright, well, I'd say get out and enjoy the fall colors, because here in upper Michigan, northern Wisconsin, it's happening. Lots of nice colors right now. Look at those.